Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use your Gua Sha. First exercise is neck sides. With your Gua Sha, slide downwards on the sides of your neck to open the lymph nodes, detoxify the face, and help with less puffiness. Next exercise is for double chin. Slide upwards from the bottom of your neck towards your chin to reduce double chin fat. This exercise can help in reducing puffiness, fat cells, and water retention in this area. Next exercise is for jawline sculpting. With your Gua Sha, move upwards from your chin towards your ears, then come down on the sides of your neck. This move will lead fat cells out of the face through lymph nodes that are located on the side of the neck. As a result, it will give you a sharp jawline. Next move is to lift the jowls. Start to massage around your mouth upwards like this to boost circulation and collagen production. With this move, you will also reduce tension in the muscles in here. It will reduce wrinkles like smile lines and marionette lines. Next move is to lift the cheeks and the face. Move upwards from the smile lines area towards your ears slowly and smoothly. This is a very effective move as it has many effects on the face. It will lift the face, jowls, lip corners, and the cheeks and give you a glowing skin. Next move is to reduce under eye bags, dark circles, and help with the skin in this area to get brighter. Be careful to tap gently and lightly in this area and not to go too close to the under eye area. Next exercise is for crow's feet. With the other hand, slightly hold the skin and with your Gua Sha, slide upwards to unfold any wrinkles and fine lines in this area. Next exercise is to depuffing the eyes and reducing hooded eyes. This exercise will also help eyes and brows to lift as it reduces tension in the brow muscles. Slide smoothly with your Gua Sha from the tip of your brows towards your temples. Next, we go up to frown lines. Start to massage and warm up by vibrating on the frown lines area. As you do this, you warm up the muscles in here and reduce their tensions. Then, start to lift up to remove frown lines. And lastly, we go to our forehead. Slide with your Gua Sha upwards on your forehead from your brows to your scalp to reduce any horizontal wrinkles on the forehead and also lift the eyes and brows. This exercise is so effective because it lifts the skin, reduces wrinkles and tension in the muscles in this area. So this was it for today's easy tutorial. Hope it was helpful. See you in next video. Bye!